video, I will go over the Achieve Hosted File Manager tool. You can use this tool to upload files from your local computer onto the Achieve server, which can then be used on the portal, on the hosted system, by other Achieve users, and by you if you log in at another computer. From the yellow Hosted splash screen, I'll click on the File Manager button. Now, the first time that I log into Hosted, I get this screen, Client File Security. If I don't allow access to my computer on this screen, I won't be able to upload anything from my desktop to Achieve. So I'm going to make sure to click Full Access and never ask me again. That way I don't get this pop-up every time I log on. Okay. Now I can see this screen. This displays all the drives that Achieve can see. The Z drive right here, Achieve Hosted Z drive, this is the Achieve server where all the images and documents that Achieve uses are stored. Achieve will only ever be the Z drive. No other drive on this screen is Achieve, even if you don't recognize the letter. The information on the Z drive lives on the cloud, and you can add to it and copy and paste from it at any time. The other drives are ones that Achieve found on your local computer, but like I said, they might not be letters that you recognize. To figure out which one is my local C drive, the one I'm used to seeing, I'm going to click on each of these drives and drill down a little bit. Let's try clicking on the V drive. Okay, this still looks a little bit unfamiliar, but I need to drill down. Your computer files will typically be listed under Users or Documents and Settings. I have Users here, so let's click on that. Okay. And then the name of my computer, Training 5. Alright, and now I see some folders that I start to recognize. There's my desktop, my documents folder, downloads, etc. Now that I've figured out which of those drives, the V drive, is my home computer, I'm going to remember that letter because that will never change. So now that I know that my computer is the V drive, I can click on that every time I want to access my computer from the Achieve File Manager. Okay, now that I'm on my own computer's directories, I can browse around, just like I would from my own desktop. Why don't we try uploading a Word document from my computer onto the Achieve server? You can see on my desktop over here I have a document, Achieve Test. Let's navigate there. I'm in Users right now and Training 5. Let's click on my desktop, and there we go, Achieve Test. Okay, I'm going to click on that, and notice, if you try to right-click and copy it, you can't. You can't right-click here. I have to go up to Organize and then Copy. Okay, now it's copied. I'm going to navigate back to my main screen by clicking the back button. There we go. Now I'm back at the drive screen, and I'm going to click on the Achieve Hosted Z drive. Now, once here, it's important to know, anyone who has access to Achieve Hosted can see anything that you upload to this Z drive, unless you upload it into your specific folder. You will have a folder on this drive that is named the same thing as your user login name. For example, my login name is Achieve Demo, so I know that this Achieve Demo folder is mine. So I double-click on that. This directory is still public. If you want to upload something and have it be private, you have to put it inside the Documents folder. So, okay, now we're here, and it's private. I can go ahead and click Organize again and paste. And there we go. I have uploaded Achieve Test to the Achieve server. Notice that Organize also has other options like undo, delete, rename, all the basic options that you need for working with documents. This is a basic overview of the File Manager. For more specific tutorials on uploading student pictures and custom queries, please see our other videos.